with a little bit of cardio right here. Nice easy jumping jack. This is easy. Let me hear you clap. Let's take it to fast right here. Jump high. Stay low. Jump high. Keep it going. All about being powerful. Jump as high as you can. Back to easy right here. Remembering to breathe. To fast right here. Fast. Down for powerful. Here we go. Hold. And jump. Hold. And jump. Hold. And jump. Hold. And jump. One more. Too much. You feeling good? Keep it going. This is easy. Nice simple march. Let's take it to fast. Little jog. Heels up to the glutes. Work the arms. Back to the front. To the other side. Face to front. To the front. To the other side. Keep it going. Arms around front, fast as you can. Let's go. Nice job, nice job. Fast feet, fast feet. Power right here. March it out. Take a deep breath. We're going to work your core. Arms are up. Feet are out. Hold it here. Lift them in. Crunch it out. Other side.